Welcome to the Santa Clarita Public Library. Today we'll be showing you how to use HelpNow, our database that provides homework help and live tutoring. Let's get started. Visit the library's homepage at santaclaritalibrary.com. Click on eLibrary on the blue menu bar located at the top of the page. You can use the drop-down menu to select articles and databases, or select it further down on the web page. Once the menu is selected, scroll down the page to Homework. Click on the link for Homework. Under this section, we have homework help databases broken down by school age. You'll see elementary school, middle school, and high school. HelpNow is listed under each of these sections, and you can click on any of the HelpNow links to take you to their main page. Go ahead and click on HelpNow. You'll be brought to the Assign-in page for HelpNow. You'll need to enter your library card info, so be sure to have that ready. If you need a library card during COVID-19, please reach out to us. Once you enter your library card number, you'll have access to all of HelpNow's resources. Live tutoring is located under Expert Help on the left-hand side. Go ahead and click on Live Tutoring. From here, you can select your grade level, the school subject you need help with, and then click on Get Live Help. HelpNow tutors are available every day from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Or you also have the option to send in a question and HelpNow will respond within 24 hours. Be sure to explore the other services HelpNow offers. See you next time!